Hello, I'm Kris Johnson, President of the Association of Washington Business, the state's oldest and largest association, and the state's designated manufacturing association. Manufacturing is a cornerstone of the state's economy, from building the best airplanes in the world to creating the finest music stands that are shipped around the globe. With manufacturers operating in every county in the state, this important sector represents nearly 9% of Washington's employment and generates more than $58 billion for the state's economy. In fact, more than 282,000 hardworking Washingtonians, men and women in every county, work in this important sector. With an average wage of more than $72,000 a year, that's a 30% higher rate than the average wage in other sectors. In manufacturing, it has one of the highest percentage of workers, 92%, who are eligible for employer health care benefits. In addition to the technology sector, today's manufacturing sector is dynamic, robust, and high-tech. In fact, the manufacturing sector performs more than 3/4 of all private sector research and development in the nation, driving innovation across the industry and opening up new job opportunities with endless career possibilities. Many of our state's manufacturers offer on-the-job training, and most only require a trade certificate or a 2-year degree, a good fit for students looking to move straight from high school to the workforce. And many of the employers in the sector actively support employees in their endeavors to advance their careers within the workplace through work-based training or continuing education. Manufacturing careers offer workers the opportunities to make great things, products that address an unmet need or improve upon the technology of the past. The power of a manufacturing job is that it truly is a career path for builders, for dreamers, and for makers. To learn more about the manufacturing careers, find available jobs, and to post a resume, visit wamanufacturingcareers.com. Thank you.